Let's see who came to see Tawny. There's Uncle Jeremy and Aunt Bridget, Brogan. And Mommy just took an angry little Grayson out. Here's little Winston, sleeping very soundly. Tawny, you did such a good job dancing today. You're so pretty in your dress.
Hold your flowers like this. Hold on, let go. Go like this. Brogan, come stand by Tawny. Stand over here. Where's Grayson? Brogan, Tawny, smile. Smile. Brogan, can you smile? No? Okay. Brogan, look at Aunt Heidi.
It's like, I'm out of here.
Tawny, look at Mommy. Smile. Okay, look at Mom. Look at Mom. Okay, smile. Hey, Tawny, can you smile? Grayson, look at Mommy.
Grayson, look at Mom.
Look at Mommy, smile. Smile, Jake.
Say cheese.
Tawny, smile. Tawny, please smile. Grayson,
Say
smile.
cheese.
Okay. Okay, smile
Big
again.
smiles.
Big smile. Oh. Okay,
Or funny
Grayson,
faces.
smile. You're silly.
Are you a little silly stink?
He's watching me. I'm trying to make him smile behind you. Smile. Tawny, smile, please. Smile, Grayson. Okay.
Tawny, these are for you. Let's make sure they get. Oh, and it even matches your outfit.
Oh, wow.
Oh, well, I hope your recital was wonderful.
Tell her thank you.
Bye. Oh, fun.
What do you have there?
Should we read it?
Balloons,
Looks like it
and
has
what
a
else?
card.
What's this down here? What are you holding on to?
Bunny.
A little bunny? Wow. What does the card say?
Should we read it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's read it. Okay, let's see. Who do you think they're from?
I don't know.
Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beautiful
Tawny,
balloons.
congratulations on your first recital. Wish we could have been there. Love, Grandma and Grandpa.
That's from Grandpa.
Yeah! Isn't this nice? Whoa, okay, we're gonna send him a little message. Can you look in the camera and say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Do you love him? That's pretty fun, huh?
Yellow. White. 2 whites. And 2 pinks. And green. And yellow.
Wow.
That was so nice. They must love you so much, sweetie.
You're having a party?
Yeah.
Well, thank Grandma and Grandpa for sending the party.
Thank you for the party.
Say it one more.
Thank you.
Say it one more time.
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you for Bunny and my balloons. Come back, balloons. Wow. Come back, balloons. I got white. That's not white. I got yellow. Where's the Lego for me? Where's the Lego for me?
color do you have, Grayson?
Water.
What?
Come back here, play.
Airplane.
Mommy, I can go up to the sky.
Cute, handsome little boy.
Can I go up to the sky?
Yeah. Grayson, what color do you have?
Balloon.
I know it's a balloon. What color is it? What color is your balloon, Grayson?
Yellow. It's yellow.
Yep, it is, huh?
I have 2 pinks and 1 green and 2 whites. That's all I have.
Mm-hmm.
Look, Mom.
Whoa. What do you have?
Woo. Bah. Yesterday. Balloon.
She also got this bunny from Grandma and Grandpa. And a card that says, and Mom and Dad got her some flowers for her first recital. Was it fun to do your recital on the stage?
Yes.
Yeah. That was fun, huh?
Mom, I want these all off.
Okay.
Can you cut them out?
You want the bow off your bunny? It looks
Yeah.
cute on your bunny, I think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
1,